The best heated blankets can keep you cozy and warm even on the coldest winter days. A soft and versatile electric blanket will keep your bed warm or keep you cozy while sitting on the sofa. There are many products available to choose electric blankets, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best electric blankets from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products are very helpful people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Sunbeam Royal Ultra Electric Heated Blanket. Looking for a luxurious and electric blanket to keep your bed warm and cozy on chilly nights? Then the Sunbeam Royal Ultra Admiral Blue Heated Blanket is the best choice. Indulge yourself with its comfy and cozy Royal Ultra material, wrapping you in luxurious warmth all night long. This sleek, soft blanket has a digital controller with 12 heat settings and 12-hour selectable auto shut-off function, so you can customize your bedding to achieve the perfect warmth and comfort. This stylish blanket comes in elegant color options that are sure to complement any decor. The 84 to 72 inches full size of this blanket is perfect for layering and preheating bed sheets, and it's machine washable and dryer safe for easy care. Plus, the polyester lining is durable and long-lasting, so you can be sure your blanket will last for years. Number 2. Westinghouse Electric Heated Blanket. The Westinghouse Electric Heated Blanket is a large, very cozy, and soft option. This FFC and ETL certified Westinghouse electric blanket provides fast-acting therapeutic heat relief that expands blood vessels to promote blood circulation. The blanket has a detachable controller, 10 heat settings, and a smart digital display, and 12-hour automatic shutoff with overheat protection. It is also machine washable. Just unplug the controller before laundry, cold machine wash, or hand wash. Line dry or tumble dry on low heat. It is easy and convenient with double layers 220 GSM flannel. Both layers bring a better sense of softness. You can easily store or carry with you anywhere. This electric heated blanket suitable for single use, watching television, reading books, relaxing at home on the couch or sofa. Also, you can use this electric heated blanket for outdoors camping, fishing. Westinghouse electric heated blankets provide you a warm and comfortable life experience. Number 3. Woomer Electric Heated Blanket. Woomer Electric Heated Blanket is made of fluffy flannel that it's both thin and breathable, bringing smoothness and softness to your skin for maximum coziness. It's machine washable under 40 degrees Celsius to maintain best condition. Dual controllers designed provide 10 heat levels from 86 to 113 degrees Fahrenheit. You can set from 0.5 to 12-hour auto-off control length of your heating time. This heated blanket is equipped with a 19 feet extra long cord to guarantee the flexibility and convenience during usage. This 90 inches to 100 inches king-size electric blanket has built-in heating wires that are placed in U-shaped patterns for even heat distribution to ensure exceeding comfort and coziness. The fast heating technology offers you instant and even warmth on cold days. Woomer heated blankets are specially designed with overheating protection for ultra-use safety, and the auto-off timer allows you to sleep securely and worry-free. It comes with a 5-year warranty. Number 4. Bedssure Electric Heated Blanket. The Bedssure Electric Heated Blanket is an exceptional industry-leading heating rate. The heated throw blanket can be heated to 104 degrees Fahrenheit in 35 minutes on 6 heating levels. This heated blanket relaxes your body to increase blood circulation, warmth, and relieve fatigue. This heating blanket can save you 68 to 90% a year on your heating bill when you turn down your thermostat. This is the best way to save money in winter. Enjoy a quick heating blanket with an ergonomic LED controller featuring 10 timer settings and 6 heating settings from warm to high based on your needs. This warming blanket can bring you a worry-free sleep peacefully using the convenient handheld controller. For the best user experience, please set the heating level to 3 to 6 when you turn on the heated blanket. Use of PTC and NTC heating cables provides perfect temperature and body feel and promises overheating protection. In addition, the heating blanket complies with the UL 964 standard, providing a safety measure while keeping warm. The combination of ribbed flannel super soft fabric with Sherpa makes the heated blanket more comfortable and keeps you warm no matter how cold the weather. Skin-friendly and suitable for whole body use. Thick fabric provides luxurious warmth and comfort. Number 5. Sunvive Electric Heated Blanket. Sunvive Electric Heated Blanket skillfully designed with super soft double-side flannel. This heated wrap blanket features efficient heat penetration and preservation. Embrace yourself comfortably in this throw with high elasticity and breathability. Enjoy a nice afternoon nap in bed covered with this soft and comfortable electric blanket. 10 heating levels 89 to 108 degrees Fahrenheit makes you complete temperature control. And enjoy quick heat-up therapy in no time. 0.5 to 12 hours automatically shutdown time selection greatly reduces your concern and leaves you peace of mind whether it is day or night. This electric heated blanket made by 100% polyester. This heated throw blanket is lightweight for multipurpose anywhere. Features king size of 100 inches to 90 inches, allows a family wrap up and stay extremely snug with integrated heating elements. The dual controllers ensure the temperature is controlled. It's suitable for both cool summer and freezing winter. This electric blanket has ETL certification and built-in overheating protection system. 12 hours automatically shutdown function ensures a much safer and better user experience. Easy maintenance. You can either hand wash or machine wash it with water below 40 degrees Celsius to 104 degrees Fahrenheit after detaching the temperature controller. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos every day, so subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of question or problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is beautiful, so enjoy every bit of your life with our amazing products, as it is going to make your life so much easier. Thanks for watching my videos. Have a great day.